This is how to buy ETFs on Moomoo. So once Moomoo is open, go to the bottom bar and select the markets icon. Once you're here at the top where it says overview, there's an option between options in crypto that says ETFs. Go ahead and select ETFs. Then once you're here, you can view a variety of different ETFs here. So for example, if you just wanted to view ETFs that track an index, you can go ahead and do that. You can then sort this. So for example, SPY is an ETF for the S&P 500. You can scroll down, kind of view popular ETFs this way. You can also scroll down this way and compare different ones. You can find high dividend yield ETFs, etc. You can find single stock ETFs, leveraged ETFs, inverse ETFs, etc. Bunch of different options right here. But as I go back to the top part here, I'm just going to go ahead for this example and find an index ETF and just use SPY as an example. So once you have your ETF selected, go to the bottom left and press trade and then press buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can then select the type of order that you want to place. So you can press the arrow and then choose limit or market. I will just keep it at market for this example. Then below that, there's shares. If you were to go ahead and invest one share, it'll then show you how much it'll cost. You can also go to dollars right here and then enter a dollar amount. So for example, $10 right here. I can go ahead and do that, maybe 200, like whatever the case may be. You can type that in if it applies, but I'm just going to go back to shares right here. I'm going to go ahead and add one. But if this looks good to you, you can press buy at the bottom. So that is how you guys can buy an ETF on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.